Welcome back, everyone. I'm excited to bring this tutorial to you, and as you are well aware, this is aimed at helping everyone there who wants to start out as a website designer of no-code platforms to get started. In this case, the no-code tool we're using to develop our website will be WordPress. And for today's class, and the various videos will be watching in this series, I'll be building the website locally on my system. So I'm going to show you my system now. This is how it looks. I'm not going to be designing any website in this series on a domain or hosting platform yet. No, I would install everything locally. I will design everything locally, and then later on, when we have successfully built the website locally, we will now migrate it to a domain and hosting platform. I'll show you how to do that later on. But in the situation where you have no money to pay currently and you have to spin up a website probably, and then at a later time rather, you want to set it up on the domain, it is very possible. So in short, what I'm saying is money or lack of money is not a barrier to stop you from practicing or designing your website. That's one. Also, secondly, you might want to just design for fun. That does not mean that every website you want to design should be uploaded, because take for instance, now you just want to design something for a school and it's not a real project given to you by a client. You just want to use it to do something, probably put it on your portfolio. You don't have to buy a domain. You understand? You don't have to pay a hosting platform to put the website there. It could be on your system, locally, and then you are good to go. So, all right, I'm going to make a separate video for how you can get started, how you can get the local software. I'll make a separate video. So depending on the time that this video is being shot, I'm sure that you can go back to check how to download or how to set up your local hosting on your system. The videos is available. I think I made a video earlier before this, so please go and watch it. And if it was not earlier, I'm going to make another video, but just to search the channel, you'll get the video. All right, so let's get back to the main reason why we are here today. All right, welcome back. So what you're looking at, right, is the local interface of the software we'll be using. If you're interested, in the name of this software is actually local. If you're looking at the top left corner here, is the local interface, and here you have more options. You can read a lot of things from here. This is the sidebar. Here is the sidebar, and you can see something about your account. This contains websites you've designed locally. This is for your backup when you want to connect to the cloud. Once that's blueprint, add-ons or extensions, and then this is when you have questions. So Let me see. I think I need to log in. Okay, so I'll enter my details and I'll come back. Okay, I think I can proceed. All right, so I'm in now. Now, before we do anything here, let's look at what we'll be actually working on. So what you're looking at is a Figma file. Okay, before we even go there, let me assume that most of us are new or just got started. My name is new, but this is the Figma interface. What's a Figma? Uh, Figma is a tool. It's actually a tool, a design tool that allows people to create, share, test designs for either websites, mobile apps, or other digital products and experiences. Uh, Figma is a very powerful tool. There are other tools that you can use to design interfaces for websites and apps. Other tools like we have Adobe XD and we have Sketch. Actually, before Figma came around or became very popular, most designers also use Photoshop. So it depends on what you want to use. But Figma has come to transform the way we design interfaces, and it is exciting. It's a very, very exciting one for us as designers. So, before going far, I want to acknowledge the designers of the two landing pages you are seeing here. There is one for a logistic company and there is one for a furniture home. And as you can see at the top here, these landing pages were designed by Design Cinch. You can follow them on Twitter. I follow them on Twitter. They design cool and very, very amazing products, and you can draw inspiration from them. So due credit is given to Design Cinch for making these resources available for us to work with. All right, so I'm going to copy this landing page because what I want us to work on today is the landing page for the logistic providers. We do not have a name, but from the logo we see ports, so maybe we'll just call it Port Logistic Providers or Port Global Logistics Services. I think that's a good name. All right, so let's take a break here and then come back again.